What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day here, and right behind me right here, what we've got a second generation Tacoma. And this thing is, I mean, it wasn't really wrecked, but it looks like it has been hit with the sack of walnuts, like just dented all over. You know, just dented. This thing is just dented everywhere. We've been working on getting all that fixed, and that's what we've been doing, but been kind of doing that off camera because I wanted to show y'all the mods that we're going to do to this thing. So as soon as we get it painted up, we'll show you these mods. We're going to make this second gen look a little bit different. You know, she's going to look amazing. You know, it's going to have all kinds of stuff done to it. So that's our plan, you know, just to get it fixed and get it all painted up. You know, just little dents here and there. That's what this thing's got. You know, nothing major, but we're going to fix it up. We're going to mod it up, and it's going to be a beautiful truck in the end. It is a beautiful day here with our 2001 Toyota Tacoma Restoration. In the last video, we did pop this hood off and pop the two fenders off, and we busted out our new cement color and we painted those things, and man, they turned out amazing. Gosh, we couldn't be more pleased with the way this thing looks. The colors on it are just amazing. It is a brisk September morning here, so we got a little bit of dew on it, but I'll show y'all in a little bit how that thing turned out because it is beautiful. It's a beautiful truck, and I can't wait today to get some more of it painted. So what we're planning on doing, hopefully it works out, we're going to jump on these two doors right here. We're going to pop them off the truck, figure out how to hang them up, and then we're going to take the whole cab, the two doors, and try to get the whole cab painted today. So that is our goal, and hopefully it works out because we're really wanting to get this truck done. And then I got a little bit of it's kind of a dilemma right here. So I was hoping y'all could help me out. We definitely want to get rid of the chrome on the bumper. The chrome has got to go. So we were thinking color match, black, or color match, black, or color match, black, color match. So, you know, we're just kind of having a dilemma. So leave us a comment. Let us know how we should paint that thing, how it looked the best, because we want it to look really good. So let's hop to it and let's get some of this stuff done this morning. Oh, we did have a slight change of plan. Those doors are just going to be a little bit aggravating to hang up, paint, probably run it, you know. So what we're going to do, we got them taped up in the booth. We're just going to paint the back side of those doors and let that dry a minute, and then we're going to paint the whole thing. So that's what we're going to do. That's going to be our best bet on this job. Well, JP, he's in there warming up the State-of-Jet X 3000 and the State-of-Jet X 5500. So we're going to get this thing painted. It's going to look really good. thing is so smooth. It's so slick. It's like, zoom, man. If a bug flew on it right now, he'd hit right here, and he'd slide plumb off the other side. I just hope that don't happen in the booth, because it won't work that way. But it's smooth, smooth, smooth. The primer really helped this truck out. So we got a couple more things to do. We're gonna put the 30-30-30 to these things and tape it all up, get it in the booth, get the truck taped up. She's out in the sun drying right now because we did hosing down. Should be dry in just a minute. We'll get all this stuff in the booth, get it all taped up. We're gonna get it painted, that beautiful cement. Beautiful cement. Ain't that right, JP?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Talking about bugs. Talking about bugs. Look right there on JP's finger.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. Look at that. That was the one. See, he landed right there. He zoomed right across.
Oh, there he went. Just like that. Just like that, yo.
How much paint we're going to use today?
Well, it's going to be a little questionable today, Mr. Orange Wires. But I'd say we're going to use at least 2 quarts on that cab.
2 quarts.
Yeah,
2 quarts. Well, how much?
We got a quart here. We got 16 ounce, 16 ounce. So that's 32. That's a quart. No. Yes, 32 is a quart.
32 is a quart. In America. 32.
In America. We're not going by liters.
Right. Right. So 32 is a quart. So that's good. You know, we was out there. We was just working like crazy, and I don't know. One of us got the dang Frozen song stuck in our head, and then here we are busting out into song out there in the booth. It's like a musical.
Yeah, it sounded great. I wish other people could have heard us.
Yeah, but you know, I mean, we was just whistling and singing and taping. And
probably because it's 95 degrees in there and we're wanting it to snow.
You're right. You're right. Frozen. That's what we need. A frozen paint booth.
That's it.
All right, man. Boy, that turned out sweet, sweet, sweet. Man, you just got that new paint gun out, and you sprayed this thing slick, man. God, it's slick. Everything on it turned out really, really, really good. I didn't see any mistakes that we made. Maybe one piece of dust in the whole paint job.
Yeah, there's not many flaws in this one at all. Looks real good, real slick. Pretty happy with it. Orange Wires come through again with another win.
Well, you know what? That might have been that mosquito.
Could have been. He was on my finger earlier. I let him go, tried to give him a chance. He could be in there.
But you know, all in all, man, this color is beautiful.
Yep.
This truck turned out beautiful. When we get it untaped, we're gonna have to let it dry here a little bit, you know, and try to just, you know, not mess it up while we untape it. So we're gonna let it dry for at least another day, right?
Yeah, maybe tomorrow evening we'll try to get this thing untaped and hood, fenders back on, get something ready to go.
Yeah, man, it's looking good. We made quick work of that today. I mean, we come in here, we had a mission, you know, we got the doors painted, we got the whole cab painted. So now we got to start putting everything back together. We got to get that bed, you know, we found one on the Facebook again, so we're going to investigate that. But you know, we appreciate each and every one of you watching. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.